So what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ayo Brando, and it's probably like a month later after I filmed this video. I changed my clutch master cylinder. Went through a lot of different things with this car. I'll explain in the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay to the end of the video. Yeah, just check it out because a lot has happened. Ain't gonna lie to you, this is a clutch master. Yeah, a lot has happened, but yeah, just watch the video. So you get into the car, you go ahead and press the clutch. It kind of sticks. See that? See, now it's getting better since the car's been sitting, but before it literally just stuck down there, so I couldn't even use it for real. But not to mention, my sunroof is leaking. Yeah, so my whole headline is down. So I took that out. It is down in there for the drain plug, but I'm not doing it myself because I don't want to really deal with it for real. So the shop that's gonna do my CSC cylinders and also fix my sunroof for me. And then I end up putting all this back. When you come down in here, basically this is your clutch fluid, aka brake fluid. I basically had to take this bracket off, remove the clutch fluid, and then your master cylinder is down in there. Remove the hose, try and not spill as much as possible. Remove that other hose, that other line, and then there's coming to the car. Come up under here. You see there's a nut, and then when you come on the other side, can't even get it, but you see it up there. You gotta take that one off, and then there's also a little pin on here, and then it should just come out nice and easy. Hopefully that's all it takes. So first, I'm gonna try and drain as much clutch fluid as I can. I don't really have nothing to put it into, so I'm putting it into this. So first thing I'm gonna do is take off the reservoir cap, the reservoir on top. To do that, these are 10s on the side. Hold on this bracket.
Hey, what the fuck, boy? This nigga, whoa, that nigga, whoa, you trying to waste 2 electricity?
Oh, I ain't.
You waste 1. This nigga Brando tripping, but he got that big ass ring light that he gonna keep the garage light on, like we'll pay electricity every month. What's wrong with you, bro?
So once you basically got all the fluid out the reservoir line, now you have, if you look down in here, you see you have what holds the clutch line on it's a 10 millimeter nut ring. I'm not sure what to call it, but yeah, you just gotta back that off, and then the brake line should come off, and then we're gonna head inside. Now that we're underneath here, we have that nut over there. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to get off, and then we also have, where's the cotter pin? But if you guys see, we have the other nut right there. I'm showing you the brake pedal master cylinder. Oh, I'm fucking retarded. So there goes the 10 millimeter nut that you have to take off. That one, the other one is up there. It's right up there, and then this is the cotter pin you gotta take off, and then it should come right out. I'm not gonna be able to really show it. I'll show you guys taking it out from the top, but from the bottom I can't really show it to you guys. Alright, so ignore everything I said before. The size to get that off is a deep socket 12. Yeah, I get the message. But yeah, without a deep socket 12, you won't be able to get that off. is a more heavy duty one. Oh, hopefully this does fit. It does work, because I'm not sure exactly what that's for, but yeah.
Freak, are you kidding me?
So as you guys can see, I finally got it in. It's currently like bolted up right now. Hopefully this fixes my problem, so I can just go get my clutch slave cylinder fixed, and then I can drive the car again. So yeah, I'm just put back on the reservoir. Then I'm gonna go through with bleeding the clutch. Take the car for a test drive, and it is driving, it is working, so there's no leaks, no nothing, so we are good for right now. Soon I'm gonna drop the car off to the clutch slave cylinder fixed. I'm gonna also get my evap problem fixed. I'm gonna also hopefully get them to fix the sunroof, all in the same job.
Okay, this is the new piece we need to put, and we need to do this new piece too, because this one, let me show you.
Well, hopefully the throw bearing is in. Throw bearing supposed to be put in. The bleeder nipple was broken. They had to replace that.
This is the release valve, the old one. Para que se la manga, la llevo fuera de la línea, lo que le cambió. ¿Pasa que hay adentro? Side. And then this one was just a lot of stuff here. We do a new one. This new line in stainless steel. Look over here. He broke this stud, and we put a new ones there because this one was not here.
So you guys just watched me change the clutch master cylinder, and well, it sits right here now. Shortly after changing the clutch master cylinder, maybe like a week, 2 weeks, ended up taking the car to the transmission shop. This master cylinder started to leak clutch fluid inside the car. Taking it out, and it kind of just exploded at me as I took off the cotter pin that holds this part on. Not sure what happened, what was going on, but yeah, it just started making noises as I was driving. Every time I sunk in the clutch, it made a weird noise, and then it kind of started leaking eventually. One thing I must let you guys know, take it from me, do not get one with this little ball thing. I don't know what to call it, whatever this is at the bottom. Yeah, don't get one with that, because it was harder to put in the car, and yeah, it was just annoying. Somehow ended up having to change my clutch. At the first shop you guys seen, I did ask them to check my clutch and ask them if it was bad. They told me the clutch was good. Ended up having to change the clutch, pressure plate, flywheel, and I got a new throwout bearing in the car. So I do have the old one that I did replace. It's still good, so that's a good thing. The chattering noise that I kept hearing when the car was on, turns out that it was not just this, it was also the pressure plate. Regardless, there's a new clutch in the car. Car runs good now. Everything is a lot better with it. Thank you guys for watching the video. I do have a few more things lined up for you guys. I plan on doing a few more things to it, so let me know. I'll catch you guys in another one.